Hello, this is Yumeng, and I'm going to talk through the Strength Check tool in Oasys 20. A new workflows feature has been added to the Oasys suite to make it easier to interrogate and post-process results. To use the Strength Check tool, make sure you have a generated ZTF file from Primer. In ggplot, this tool allows you to visualize yielding parts at different states in 3 different display modes. Now, a quick demonstration. To use this tool, just read in any model with a ZTF file into ggplot. Go to Workflows and select Strength Check. As we can see, the tool initializes as the last state of the model with the shaded image plot and the U utilization factor selected by default. In this tool, we have made it so that the plot colors above the yielding value are either red or magenta. This makes it easier to see where the parts are yielding. You can switch this option off to see the default contour levels and colors, or leave it on, but switch off the maximum value evaluation to save time for larger models. In the first display mode, any non-applicable or non-yielding parts are in transparent gray. As we step through the states, we can see that there are less yielding parts in earlier states as expected. In the second display mode, we are able to cycle through the parts that are yielding in the state. And in the third mode, we just get an ordinary contour plot that shows the whole model. Hope you find the Strength Check tool useful. Thank you.